So welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you on how you can do your registration successfully on ODAP. So after you've successfully purchased your e-pin, there are steps you need to take. So if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you turn on the notification button so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified. So to register now, you can just go ahead, you can scroll down to the plan area to select the appropriate plan that you want to go for. But if you don't want to go down and you just want to click directly from the top, you can just click on sign up. So when you reach that aspect, it will ask you for the person that referred you. So if you do not have anybody, you can just put admin. So when you enter admin that way, so it will open the page for you. Now for me, I've successfully purchased my e-pin because you can't register without your e-pin. So let me show you the e-pin. So this is the e-pin. Now sometimes when you purchase your e-pin, you might not receive the pin inside your inbox. If you notice, mine was sent to junk email. So you either check your spam. For people that are using Gmail, is either spam. So for Hotmail and Outlook mail, you can see it on jog inbox. So I'm going to make use of this one out of it, not all. So now to create an account, I'm going to write my name. So that way, then I create an email. So I would like to use my email. Make sure anytime you register, you input the correct email, because when you are going to reset anything, you are going to make use of that email. When an information or an alert is going to enter through that mail. So I'm going to use for the nickname, username is also known as nickname. Then also on this one, I'm going to also try and do my best to. Now the code that I pasted, I will paste it here. So I'm going to agree with the terms and condition, that way that I'm going to register. So you can see where the error was. My password is not the same. So let's try and enter it again. I'm not sure, I'm just guessing. So password is not the same. So let's try and enter. So let's try it now. Password is not the same again. So for that issue, what we are going to do is let me just use a simple one and see. Wow, you can see my pin is not that valid. So let's try and check the second one. Maybe an account has been created for me that way. I'm not sure yet, but let's try and paste it. And now I get the reason why my pin is invalid. The pin I purchased was for trial plan, not for normal plan. So I have to go to trial plan, then I enter the same details. When you purchase an e-pin for another stuff, make sure you input the stuff. I really loved the way I'm facing issue, because that way some people also might have would face the same. So since I was able to resolve mine, so they should be able to resolve theirs too. So so for now, let's use that. Then you agree, then you submit. So as you can see, our registration was successful. So the next thing we are going to do now, when you are done with your registration successfully, you are going to receive an email too again with your ID. But in case you did not receive it on time, you can still go ahead and just do what, login. Just click on login, then you will be able to access your dashboard. So here I'm going to put the username that I used, then I'm going to enter the password that I used, then I'm going to click it. So as you can see, I didn't even remember if I used any user ID. I think I did, but this, oh sorry, I didn't change my username. So I think so, I didn't change my username. So you can see I didn't change my username. So now when you are done with your registration, you'll be able to access your dashboard this way. So this is how your dashboard will look like automatically that way. Then when you've successfully logged in, you have access to this video. Then you can go ahead, if you haven't subscribed yet, you can just go ahead and subscribe. Then you insert you join the Telegram group for updates. Then the next thing you are going to do is to, when you face an error this way, just go ahead and so you have to log in that way. So after you've successfully logged in, you must enter your details before you can be able to have access to your dashboard. So you, first of all, you must fill in your details. Now for me, now I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So after your registration, you are expected to fill in your details. So I'm going to do the same. So the reason why I'm trying to open this is that I want to copy details here, then and I'm good to go. So before you can update this, you need to enter your current password. So you go ahead and you update that, and you can see successfully. Then I will be able to access the dashboard now. So this is how to do your registration successfully. So that's how to do your registration and access your dashboard. So you can also become a vendor. When you click here, to bring out the amount is going to cost you to become a vendor. So just go ahead and pay if you want to become a vendor. So in the next video, I'm going to explain how to operate this dashboard that we have access to, and I'm going to tell you some feature and what's and other stuff that you need to know about the whole dashboard, and how you can go ahead and manipulate things in the dashboard. So see you in the next video. Have a wonderful time. God bless you.